Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. Today we are going to learn some of the shortcuts on Canva. These are the general shortcuts. If you want to do something with the text, just select the text, and if you want to make it bold, just tap on keyboard Ctrl D and your text will be turned into bold. Ctrl B to make it bold, then Ctrl I to make it italic, and to redo the last action tap on Ctrl Y and the action will be redone. If you want to cut a specific element, just tap on the element and tap on Ctrl X, and if you want to get it back, tap on Ctrl Y. To undo the last action, tap on Ctrl Z. To duplicate the element, tap on Ctrl D. Now to select all of the elements in Canva, tap on Ctrl A. You just have to tap outside of the elements and tap on Ctrl A and the elements will be selected. If you want to delete a specific element, then after selecting it, you can just tap on delete and the elements will be deleted. We want to get this action back, so we will go for Ctrl Z. To lock all of the elements as a grouped element, that means you have to select all of the elements. You can also select it by stepping out of the element section and then go for Ctrl A, and then as you can see, you can easily go for group bar here, but as we are learning about shortcuts, go to your keyboard and tap on Ctrl G. And then you can also ungroup by tapping on ungroup. Then to resize an element proportionally, you just tap on shift and keep on tapping it, and then just keep dragging it to the edge you wanted. These are some of the easy text shortcuts and general shortcuts in Canva. You can easily go for the keyboard shortcuts. If you want to know more about shortcuts, keep an eye to our channel. We will see you in the next video.